How to fix microphone echo problem on PC. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix your microphone echo problem on PC. First off, you need to go ahead and open up Control Panel. Once you open it up, you need to go ahead and find your sound settings here. Go ahead and click on Sound, and it will pop this menu up. Then you want to head over to the Recording tab. If you have multiple microphones, you basically want to go ahead and disable other microphones that is not your default. Then select your default microphone from here. Double click on it and it will open up its properties. Then you want to go over to the Listen tab and make sure that this Listen to Device option is not turned on. If it is, then it's going to create a lot of echo and a beeping noise. Make sure this is not turned on. Under power management, make sure that you continue running it on battery power. Or if you want, you could also disable automatically to save power. But if you select this, what happens is in order to save power your microphone, its intensity might cut off. So go to levels and you can increase the intensity of your microphone level and make sure that the microphone boost is not all the way up. Just make sure that is certain amount. Tap on apply and then okay. You'll be good to go. Then go over to sound settings. And from here, you can change the sounds. But basically, you want to play around with the recording tab. You also want to go ahead and check the in-app features for voice. For example, Discord provides a echo cancellation mode or voice isolation mode where you don't get echoes with your voice. You can use those kind of features with the apps that you are using as well. And you might want to play around with the physical location of your microphone as well. Just move it closer or further away according to your need. That should fix your issues. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.